What up, YouTube? We just received these BajaDesign chase lights we're gonna be installing today. They're pretty good. That's two, and we're gonna mount one on each side back there. Comes with the harness, I guess, to plug both of them, and then plug it to the main harness, which goes to the battery and the switch. But we're thinking about getting the Switch Pros switch panel. It has like 8 switches, and you can program them and everything. So these are the brackets, hardware and all that. So what I'm thinking is lining it up with this. Should sit about there, and then one on that side. We're trying to get all the holes drilled before we do the Raptor liner, so we won't have to drill through the Raptor liner. And then we're also going to be working on, oh, and we got this 5-gallon gas tank, which I think is going to go strapped down to the jack mount. That is going to go on this side, and then we're gonna be working on a little bracket to hold down that oil quart, and that's gonna go on this side. Since it's just gonna be in case of an emergency, we're gonna strap it down to those 2 brackets. So we're gonna get to measuring and start drilling. Alright, so now we're about to start drilling. We made 2 lines, but we decided to use the second one because it looks more centered with this. I got the center of this hole right here, so I followed it up and make that second line. And then we got the center of this, so that's where the bracket should go. And once we have the hole drilled, we could tilt the light to the side or adjust it a bit. Alright, so we got them mocked up. Pretty much what it's gonna look like. Tilting to the sides, up and down, but not forward and back. So, got both sides done. And it's just that one hole. Now we're gonna get to making the bracket for the oil quartz crate or whatever. We're gonna start making the bracket, but this Harbor Freight chop saw doesn't cut as it should. The angles are off, so we're gonna try to pick up another one to work on the bracket for this crate, oil crate, and the toolbox. So that'll be in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.